So here we are with the racing seat out the package. Does come with a lot of parts. It's very easy to assemble. Looks harder than it is. Directions were great. I assembled it. The seat is like mesh. I really thought it wouldn't hold me. I'm like 215, but it's fine. It's fine. So, I mean, there is a weight limit, but yeah, I think it'll hold most people. You have the adjustment here that you can adjust it back or forth. I was having issues with that. It's not really hard, but with one hand it is. So, and you also have adjustments to the top. My wheel's dusty, so I just added the wheel on there, and then you have the bottom part that you can add the pedals on. My suggestion is add the pedals on and then put it, like, adjust that whole thing right there. These screws you can slide. You see the whole, you see the slots, so you can slide them that far forward or that far back. I got it all the way back just because it fits me. But if I had the pedals up higher, they probably would be a little bit more forward. But I put the pedals all the way at the bottom as far as I could without them hanging off that plate. The plate also can adjust up and down the angle right here. So you have like 2 separate angles at the bottom, and you have 4 at the top. So you can have it as slanted or not slanted as you want. Also comes with the ties, Velcro ties, just for cord management, and stickers I put on the side. They didn't really give you no direction. At least I didn't see where you put those stickers at. But, I just put it where I thought it looked good. And I like it. It's a very nice racing seat. I always had the half seats where you had to bring your own chair, and it's just a mess. So this right here is just so much more convenient because you can, just pull it out. You can fold it up somewhat. It doesn't fold up as compact as, say, one that doesn't have a seat attached. Of course not, because it would just be the front part. But it does fold up pretty compactly, and it's cool. And I almost forgot, there's a shifter, and the shifter has 2 knobs to adjust 2 different parts. So it's really customizable, I should say. And I don't use a shifter, but I just wanted to show that they do give you those parts where you can, there's different places where you can put it and you can change the shifting. So let's sit down and get it on. All right. As you can see, it's fine with the using the wheel. My wheel's shaking and all. It's not going anywhere. Very sturdy. It's I got the Thrustmaster, so it does work with a variety of wheels. You can check the listing.
Coming in hot.
But I think you could, any wheel would probably work on it. You could hook it up, but it is made specific. So,
come on, man! You trying to push me off?
Yeah, that's pretty much it. I thank you for watching, and I'll get it with you in the next one. Peace.